Hello, Sam here from Artificial Lawn Company, and today you're joining me at our Maidstone back garden Hockey MUGA. This has been a project we started in the winter, and obviously with the terrible weather it's been a bit of a slog, but here we are on a nice sunny day showing it off in all its glory. Now it's all finished. So the brief for this one was the whole family is a bit hockey crazy, the parents and the children, and now we're just struggling to actually get somewhere to practice and train. So they came to us with the idea of having a back garden hockey space. Obviously the training trick with hockey is you need a specialist short pile grass to make it great for dribbling and shooting. But the good thing about having a short pile grass like our Hockey DT in this case is it can also be used for football and other sports as well. And the other thing, this is a 20 by 10 space, so we've even got some custom blue lines in this one for P-flick and P-flick spots and drag flicking. So the dashes mark the top of the D if you like, so we can still use it as although you don't have the actual space of a full hockey pitch, you can still use it for some of the key things you would like to train for hockey. This has also got our 20mm Lawnflex shock pad underneath, which is great to make it a bit easier on the knees and adds a bit of shock absorbance across the whole space. And then of course around the outside we've got our 868 rebound fencing in moss green. So this just helps the whole pitch blend in with the surrounding rest of the garden. And we've got our spectator rails on the sides just to try and soften it up a little bit. And then obviously where you need it, the rebound fences on the ends to stop the ball, to keep the ball in the area. And then we've got these lovely full-size hockey goals at each end, and then we've got custom fence surrounds around these. Again, just making sure it's any wayward shots are kept within the area. And then of course we've got some white lines in it as well. We've got a couple boxes, centre spots, and then halfway line, a halfway spot, and then goal lines as well. And all in all, we've had some great feedback on this project. The kids and the parents are out all the time practicing. Rain or shine, it just gives you a little bit of, it transforms your garden into somewhere you can train no matter the weather. And it really has made a big difference to their game so far. And it's still early days, so on a day like today, I mean, it's just absolutely glorious out here, and it just fits in perfectly with the rest of the garden as well. So this has been our Maidstone Hockey MUGA. If you're looking for any back garden sports, whether that be hockey, football, golf, cricket, or anything else, please do get in touch. We're doing quite a few of these back garden sports areas now, and we really are getting great feedback, and it's really changing the lives of many families and how they can train and get the most out of their gardens. So thank you for listening, and please do get in touch. Thank you very much.